But I've run out of every reason. I'm suddenly you're asking for it back. Could you tell me where'd you get the nerve? Yeah, you can say you miss all that we had, but I don't really care how bad it hurts when you broke me. Took a while to figure out how fast you moved over, thinking I could ever, you know that hurt. Swear for a while I was letting my phone to sleep your name. And now that it's said, I don't know what to say. And now I'm feeling like